Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NOCTIS token. Now the NOCTIS token is live for pre-sale right now on their webpage. This is a brand new Solana meme token. We're going to go over the security on this token. We're going to look for any audits or any red flags, any potential scam risks that we could find, and we're going to go over the information on this token, and we'll do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there, at NOCTIS coin. So basically this is the meme where death is knocking on a whole bunch of different doors. Sometimes it'll be like different Bitcoin prices. Basically it's a meme. You could put anything in there. It doesn't even have to be crypto. It could be literally anything. And I'm sure you've seen this meme all over the place of death knocking on multiple doors. And so that's what it's named after, NOCTIS. And blue verified checkmark on Twitter, 73 tweets. It says, "Hey, it's me, Death, but my friends call me NOCTIS. My job is to accompany other memes to their afterlife." So basically, I don't know, maybe they're saying they're going to, squash Doge and Shiba and all these other meme coins, bring them to their afterlife. They have a Telegram at NOCTIS coin that's linked on their Twitter. Their webpage is linked on there, noctis.wtf. Brand new project, just joined Twitter in March 2024. And they have 2,739 followers so far. So in their pinned tweet, they have all the dates here for this pre-sale. So basically ends tomorrow. It says, well, prepare your Solana NOCTIS launch has arrived. These are the final dates. So pre-sale started yesterday, April 2nd at 9 o'clock UTC time. And it ends tomorrow, Thursday, April 4th, 18 hours UTC time. And then it says RAYDIUM launch will be 20 hours UTC time on the same day, April 4th. So, they have, just a whole bunch of memes and how much they raised, they're talking about in their tweets here. But if you go over to their webpage, that's where you're going to find all the links and everything like that. So on their webpage, it says here, currently they've raised 575.16 SOL. So it says, send SOL to this address. And then they have an address right there. You could copy the address. It says no soft cap, no hard cap, 100% liquidity, 100% LPs burned. And then it has the pre-sale start times. It says tokens will be distributed 2 hours after the pre-sale closes. And that's when they're claiming that they're going to be launching on RAYDIUM as well. So basically on their webpage, they show them knocking on different doors of basically like different market caps. And I guess they're, killing these memes. Kind of a cool idea when you think about it. And so then it says here, the token metrics allocation pie chart says 44% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 44% go to liquidity, 6% core team, 6% marketing and listings. So story of NOCTIS. Does NOCTIS have a good story? No, he doesn't. So what is the section of this webpage about? Well, that's a good question. The story of NOCTIS is our story, your story. Every door opened will be our success as a NOCTIS community. Welcome to NOCTIS, friend, and let's open the first door today. So the strategy is simple. Community growth, market cap growth as well. Doors start opening. We kill other memes. We seek out the next target. We're here to benefit the crypto community, not harm any other projects. Let's make the crypto space even funnier. So on their entire webpage, they have no audit. They have no team doxing. They have no KYC. They have no quick audit. They have no anything, no security that you could verify whatsoever. So needless to say, I mean, if they had an audit and it was a bad audit, at least we could go, well, that's a bad audit, so this token has risks. Well, this token has no audit and no KYC, so this token has all the risks. All the risks are involved with this token. It is not lacking any risks. If you had, a bucket of risks, you could pour it on this token's head. I don't know. You get the idea anyways. There is no audit on here whatsoever. So take it with all the grains of salt. Thoroughly, I mean, I didn't even know how you could do your own research because there's basically nowhere to do your own research. It's just a web page basically saying this is a meme and send your soul to this address. As far as I could tell. Now, at NOCTIS Coin on Telegram, they have 2,048 members. 78 of them are online. So that would be a place where you could join the discussion with other community members and ask them hey guys, is there any security on this token, stuff like that. So you can talk to people on the Telegram community if you like. Just don't talk to bots, obviously. It says, hey, it's me, Death, but my friends call me NOCTIS. Has a link to their Twitter on the Telegram. And yeah, maybe if we scroll through their 73 tweets, we might be able to find something. But as far as I can tell, I've already scrolled through a bunch of tweets. It does say here, total supply is 666,666,666 tokens. And they have, I did see this in a news article. It might have been on Be in Crypto. They say on one of these tweets here that says banners are live on Be in Crypto. Maybe that's where I saw it. And yeah, besides, I think they sent, I don't know what that is. But yeah, I mean, I've scrolled through a lot of tweets so far. No, I scrolled all the way through all the tweets. And there is nothing about an audit or even an upcoming audit. They don't even have an upcoming audit or any security in the works. No roadmap, nothing. So 100% take this token with a grain of salt. I mean, if you are part of the team of NOCTIS and you want to correct me and say, hey, we do have an audit, you're always welcome to throw that in the comment section. But from what I can see here, this token has all the risks. So just be aware of that. Thoroughly try to do your own research if you can. Leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about NOCTIS? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.